Welcome back to this course on automating mobile devices with UiPath Test Suite. In the next couple of videos, we will be covering some of the most useful best practices and tricks for building mobile device automation projects faster and more reliably. This first video deals with the different reset methods for the devices, apps and data that we are working with. Apart from the default behavior of resetting the app and the data, we'll see a scenario in which the data is kept, and another one in which the app is altogether reinstalled each time we connect to it. Before we delve into our main topic, let's take care of the prerequisites. We need to ensure that the mobile device manager is up and running and is connected to a device. In our case, the device is a locally emulated Android. We have created it using the Android Studio app. Later on in the course, you'll get to see a dedicated demo on connecting locally emulated devices. For now, it's enough to know that Android Studio is an integrated development environment which has the capability to emulate mobile devices. Let's now open the demo app installed on our device. From the app, we'll use the Echo Box feature, which allows us to store a piece of text we enter in the local memory. Let's go ahead and enter. That's how default works. This sample text is saved. We'll now start a connection between our mobile device manager and the Android device. As the connection is established, let's check if the demo app has kept the text we entered in the Echo Box. Okay, so the application is reset, and the data is lost as a result of the new connection. That's the default indeed, but let's say that keeping the data between the different sessions is something we want. Remember the concept of desired capability. All we have to do is use the No Reset APM capability. To enable it, we'll open the app from the Applications tab on the left panel and edit it. We'll add No Reset as an additional desired capability and set the value to true. Then save and close. Let's now close the connection from the mobile device manager. Now open the Echo Box in the app on the emulated device and enter the text. That's how No Reset works. Then hit save. We'll now reinitialize the connection with the emulated device from the mobile device manager. Let's click the Echo Box. The app has kept the data even with the new connection. Obviously, it didn't reset the application. Great. Let's now go for the opposite scenario, in which we don't just want to reset the data and the app, but also to reinstall the application with each new session. This implies that we also want to delete it automatically upon closing the connection. To achieve this, we'll open the app once again from the Application tab and edit it. We'll make use of the full Reset APM capability. We'll set the value to true, then save and close. Let's now start a new connection to our device. We can notice that the app is being uninstalled from the device and then reinstalled. Let's now open the Echo Box and check if it kept the text. Nope, it didn't retain any of the text we entered, as intended. So, what happens if we close the active connection? Since we use the full reset capability, the app will be uninstalled from the device, again, as intended. A point to remember here, various cloud-based testing platforms, including Sauce Labs, do a clean install of the application at the start of each session. In such cases, the No Reset capability won't have any effect on the application data. In fact, it's one of the reasons why we decided to use a locally emulated device in this demo. With that, we have reached the end of this demo. To double down on a previous idea we mentioned, do spend some time to understand and configure the desired capabilities in the mobile device manager. Your mobile automation skills will grow exponentially. Now for a quick recap. So far, we've seen how to use the No Reset APM capability and how to use the full Reset APM capability. That's all for today. Don't forget to use the forum to share your accomplishments and challenges with the community. Until next time.